Bollywood's biggest icon Mr. Amitabh Bachchan was recently at an event और यहाँ उनका मकसद था to promote clean and healthy atmosphere. बिग बी ने मीडिया को संबोधित करते हुए ये कहा कि वो इस अभियान का हिस्सा बने हैं और इस बात की उनको काफी खुशी है.
I've always been very disturbed by the issues of sanitation, cleanliness in the country, and every time I go out on the streets and watch these horrid sights, there's always been a desire to do something for them. I'm so happy that today NDTV and Dettol have joined together to put forward this cause that the Prime Minister has initiated.
साथ ही उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि अब वक्त आ गया है कि देश में इस बात को जितनी भी जल्दी पॉपुलर किया जाए उतना अच्छा है.
The common man is not aware of, and I'm sure that there is a list somewhere that if you will go through, you will find that it's a small issue, but it has such a large perspective. I read somewhere that among the 10 most polluted cities in the world, 6 of them belong to India. And I think that it's time that we woke up and decided to wipe those 6 cities from that list and come out clean.
वहीं राइटर एंड लिरिसिस्ट प्रसून जोशी भी बिग बी के साथ मंच पर नजर आए एंड ही आल्सो शेयर्ड हिज एक्सपीरियंस ऑन हैविंग अ क्लीन एंड हेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट.
Why is it important? See, India is always looked inside for everything. We, as a culture, inner cleansing, spirituality played a big role in our lives. So somehow we did not look outside. As the world is changing, we did not look outside that how the environment and the atmosphere around us require us to take action. Inner cleansing was, kept superior to everything. And as a result, we almost put a blind eye to what is happening around us. So there is a state of inertia, state of, you need to jolt people and make them realize that something which is, I think, developed part of the world would not even understand. Those basic things needs to be, taught or needs to be realized. I think I see my role as trying to communicate those basics which probably are missing from our lives.
Well, we just hope that the campaign that Mr. Bachchan and Prasoon Joshi has started gets popular. क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा अभियान है जिसमें सफाई रखने और सफाई बरकरार रखने पर काफी तवज्जो दिया गया है. For Salma Khan, Zoom, Mumbai.